Just close your eyes and picture getting behind the wheel on a cool morning, starting your engine and listening to that perfect purr as your engine comes to life. That's the magic of Castrol GTX 5W20 synthetic blend. It is not your grandpa's engine oil. It is re-engineered with quality-based stocks and targeted anti-wear additives to reduce wear and protect your engine so that it runs clean. And sludge? Consider it locked out. Castrol's formula does battle against gunky buildup before it has a chance to even consider forming, leading to a cleaner heart underneath your hood. Thermal breakdown and viscosity loss are enemies to your engine. But this blend's got you covered with advanced stabilizers that help the oil molecules remain in a tight formation. Hot crude deposits try to bring performance crashing to its knees, but Castrol's heat-resistant formula slashes deposits to smithereens, maintaining maximum flow and peak efficiency. And it ticks off all the boxes on industry specs, API-SP, ILSAC GF6, and major Ford approvals, so you know it meets the strictest standards out there. In real terms, this means faster starts, more consistent horsepower, and most importantly, a longer engine life, saving you time and worry every single time you hit the road. So, are you ready to unleash the real power of your engine? Stay tuned for the next release, as we unveil yet another must-have garage item to take your ride to the next level.
At number 2, we have the Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. Imagine you're screaming down a dusty trail in your diesel rig, hauling whatever you need. You depend on your engine's heart to keep beating. That's where Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic deserves some spotlight. It's built to protect against wear, deposits, and oil breakdown. With Triple Protection Plus technology, it gives you on-the-go protection and prolongs your engine's life. Anytime, anywhere. Its 5W40 formula flows lightning fast in freezing temps and resists shear at high RPM, so your oil pressure never drops. This low-ash, exhaust-friendly formula keeps modern after-treatment systems happy, preventing costly filter blockages. Plus, advanced synthetic base oils add fuel economy up to 1.5% compared to conventional oils, saving you cash. Extended drain capability means less downtime and more freedom to chase every adventure. Need to get some new lifeblood into your engine? Hold on to your hats, because next we're getting into an oil additive that's about to turn your workhorse into a smooth cruiser. Tune in. You don't want to miss that.
At number 3, we have the Quicksilver 5W30 Full Synthetic Marine Engine Oil. You're cruising a still lake at sunrise when suddenly your engine makes a coughing, sputtering sound. And then that moment when you remember you forgot to add oil. That's where the Quicksilver 5W30 Full Synthetic Marine Engine Oil enters the fray, designed to keep your outboard, stern drive, or inboard engine purring like a happy kitten. Its full synthetic formula gives it extra resistance to thermal breakdown in super hot, high RPM conditions and a friction-fighting shield that reduces wear and tear to almost nothing. Proprietary corrosion inhibitors lock out corrosion in salt water. Nickel technology prevents the need for frequent replacement, so your motor starts great, whether it's July or February. Unlike regular automotive oils, this marine-bred blend delivers maximum horsepower transfer and peak fuel economy. Read more fun per gallon and fewer surprise tow-offs. Add a quart of this pure red fluid, and maintenance intervals go longer, repair costs drop, and you regain peace of mind every time you've got a line in the water. Stay tuned, for next up, we're firing into a game-changer that's going to give your on-deck comfort a serious performance boost.
At number 4, we have the Royal Purple Synthetic Motor Oil. Imagine this. You're getting ready to start your car on a cold morning, and instead of that sickening sputter, your engine fires to life like it's a hot summer day. That's the Royal Purple Synthetic Motor Oil at work. Its exclusive additive package outperforms all other diesel oils by reducing wear on crucial engine components, thus increasing the life of your engine. It lowers friction, which enables more power and better fuel economy. So it not only feels better, but saves money at the pump. Water-displacing corrosion inhibitors seal the components from moisture, helping to ensure they remain in mint condition. Plus, extended drain interval performance means fewer trips to the shop. And with API-licensed compatibility with traditional blends, switching is a snap. So if you thought mastering oil was the final frontier, hold on to your hats, because next we'll be taking a deeper dive into fuel additives. Hang in there. You'll hate to miss it.